Hello everyone! Welcome to Events and Catering by Monsanto. So, andito kami ngayon sa GL3 Lancaster, Cavite. Meron kaming clients na nag-book for 100 packs. And then, together with Bootylicious Grazing with Kakanin, good for 50 packs. So, ito si client, sobrang bait kasi actually, tumawag siya 2 days before. And then, 1 day before, nag-down na agad siya. So, biglaan lang talaga tong catering na to. Tapos, walang mekos-mekos. Biglang nag-down talaga siya agad-agad. So, nagtiwala talaga sa amin si client. So, ito naman, syempre ako, binunggahan ko talaga yung setup namin para hindi siya ma-disappoint. Kailangan maganda lahat kasi this is our 6th event pa lang talaga. So, bago pa lang talaga. And this is our first time na magkaroon ng house blessing event together with the Bootylicious Grazing with Kakanin. Medyo sensitive lang kasi dahil nga Muslim sila, kailangan walang halong pork. As much as possible, kailangan maingat kami sa pagkain. Pero kampante naman ako na lahat ay safe naman talaga. Sobrang saya ko talaga dito kasi it's my first time talaga na bigla-biglang events tapos mabuti na talaga kompleto yung mga gamit ko na. Kahit paunti-unti, at least kahit pa paano meron kaming progress. So every time na nagkakamali kami, kino-correct namin every next event na just to make sure that everything is perfect. Hindi naman lahat perfecto. Basta ang importante masaya ka at masaya sila. That's why we create, you celebrate. So if you want to book now, check our page, Events and Catering by Monsanto. Charis! So ito na yung Bootylicious Grazing natin. And then ito na yung catering setup. So yung carbonara, meron tayong caldereta, meron tayong chop suey, meron tayong butter garlic wings, meron tayong fish fillet, syempre yung crabs sila na nagluto niyan, tsaka yung shrimp nila. And there we go. So ang ganda talaga ng setup namin. Medyo marami pang kulang pero at least kahit pa paano okay. So this is my crew and then these are the setup. So, nag-start na yung buffet. So, nakapila na buong pamilya. I'm so happy for this event talaga kasi grabe yung experience. And then, yung feelings iba talaga. Kasi dati akong crew ngayon, I'm the owner of this catering. So, sana more caterings to come. So, what are you waiting for? Book now, then we create. You celebrate by Monsanto Style. See you!